Welcome. Following is a HUAWEI MatePad T10S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD into this device. And before we get started, we will need this SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. Now this comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there. And once you do have it, simply pop out the tray, which will be located somewhere. Oh, it's on the bottom. So it's basically next to the headphone jack at the bottom of the device. So go and move it to the side so you can see it clearer. And once you push it in, as you can see, the tray will pop out. So from here, let's take the tray, pop the SD on it, and also our SIM card. And there we go, like so. You can see it's laying flush on here. And then while actually holding it secure, because otherwise it will fall out, you want to insert it back into the device. There we go. And now it's gonna change the language of the device, if I remember correctly. Yep, there we go, because why ask the user if he wants to change the language after he said it himself, but whatever. So in here, we need to actually put the pin for the SIM card. That's because I actually have a pin on my SIM card, but you might not. And from there, we can get agitated by the fact that we have our device in a different language. So let's go to the settings. Now I'm going to show you quickly how to change it back if your device decided to change the language to one that you might not understand. So let's go to the settings, which is this icon right over here. Scroll all the way down to system, which is this blue circle right here with the phone and the gear, and then choose a third option from the top. As you can see, this one. And at the top, the first option will be language and region, so select it, tap on the blue text. The second one, the first one is the language that it's right now on. The language that we had previously, English here, is just completely removed because why not? So let's tap on the one to add language and re-add the language that was here from the beginning. English, there we go, selected. And now when you select it, it will automatically also pop up with the keyboard settings, so completely disregarded by going back. And it will pop up this message right here, so it just asks us if we want to change it back to the language that we have just selected to change automatically. And simply tap on the right side, which is change. And there we go, we're now back in the language that we have started with. And that is the painstaking way of inserting a SIM card into this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.